Welcome back to Collecting Cars, and not only our first video of the year, but our first event of the year here at Bicester Heritage. It's the Sunday Scramble. This year, Collecting Cars is the official auction partner of Bicester Heritage, so we'll be at all of the events and all the scrambles this year. So if you're watching this and thinking, I'd like a piece of that action, I'd like to get to one of those events, head over to collectingcars.com/events. Right, so what's so special about a scramble event is that Bicester Heritage hosts 47 different types of specialists and workshops here on site, which means that you can go around, as well as catching up with your friends and seeing this eclectic bunch of cars, you can go and get into all these showrooms and go and learn a thing or two. So let's go take a little look around. Over there we've got an M5 Touring next to a Mini and a safaried Porsche 924, and then we've got these race track prepared cars from Mission Motorsport. But what I want to show you is just through here. Look at this. Suddenly you can find yourself coming across a brace of Jaguar E-Types, and then tucked in the corner, if you have a little look round, it's Ferrari 250 GTO. Where else are you going to find all of that? So as much as this is about the eclectic cars that we have at Scramble, it's also about catching up with friends, and I'm joined here by Hannah this morning. Hannah, is this the first event you've been to this year already, or have you already been to some other stuff?
Well, good morning and Happy New Year.
Thank you.
To see you. We actually went on a New Year's Day flat out to Brooklands, which is close by. So yeah, it's the first Bicester event that we've been to. Nice way to catch up with people and start the year. Yeah.
And what for you makes these Scramble events so different to any other events that you go to? What's special about it?
I think this event sold out probably before Christmas, so I think it's understanding, how many people come here, seeing new people, catching up with old friends, and bringing out such an eclectic collection of cars. I mean, moderns, classic, electric converted, brand new stuff, and also seeing the campus so busy with Bicester tenants, everyone from Polestar to pre-war apprentices to Harry, who does the trimming in the corner, who's been here forever. So yeah, it's just lovely to see everybody and see the people who make this campus so special. Literally something for everyone. What's something that really stood out for you today? Have you had a chance to look around? Yeah, we've been here about an hour and a half already this morning. We haven't really strayed that far away from coffee and a really good bacon butty. It's nice to see Revs up with the Suzuki doing some charitable donations to the local food bank. Obviously Blue Diamond with their pre-war stuff's really nice. Yeah, there's a really nice Carrera GT, so lovely. Porsches probably. yes. Big Porsche fan. Big Porsche fan, yes.
All right. Well, enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you for having me.
Charlie, you look like you're fully armed up there with
Yeah.
numerous different cameras. Obviously a photographer.
Yeah.
You're a regular here in Bicester Heritage. So what makes it special for you?
I think it's the actual venue itself. Like, the layout is unlike anything else. You get the historic buildings, you get the cars, so you get a nice mix of historic stuff, you get some modern Lambos, that kind of stuff. But it is the setting that makes it special and interesting to shoot at. It's a great place to catch up with people. It makes my job difficult.
I was going to say, you're probably stopping every 5 seconds just to talk to
So
people.
you end up being that rude person of, yeah, sorry, just see you later. But no, it's like, there is nowhere else that you can put on a show like this that isn't just, yes, they're ultimately cars on grass, but because of the backdrop, it's unlike any other just cars in the field kind of car show.
It's got real personality. It really has. What stood out for you today?
I knew you were going to ask that.
Put you on the hot spot.
Actually, the Capri, the racing Capri that was over there, but it was full kind of road legal, but it was basically race spec. It was immense.
Now, Morgan also have a facility here. This is known as Morgan Works here at Bicester Heritage, and you can come and have a look, take a look at all their latest models. But there's another reason why I'm here, and that's to see their new Super 3. We're going to take it on a little road trip tomorrow, so be sure to check out that video as well. It's been a great morning here at the Sunday Scramble, the first of the year. We've really enjoyed ourselves and the team are now breaking down, but we will be back here throughout the year at the Bicester Heritage Sunday Scramble event. So be sure to check out our events page at collectingcars.com/events. See you at the next one.